Immerse yourself in the relaxing sounds of nature. Here, every breath you take is filled with fresh air, and every moment invites you to unwind. At Tori River, Glamp Zambales, we invite you to experience the perfect blend of nature and luxury. Escape the noise, embrace the silence, and let the tranquility of our glamping site rejuvenate your spirit. Discover the unique charm of our beach and river as they seamlessly connect, creating a tranquil haven for all. Crystal clear waters are ideal for a refreshing swim or a peaceful stroll along the shore. Feel the gentle caress of the sea breeze as you enjoy the unspoiled beauty of our secluded beach. Choose from our 3 air-conditioned glamping tents, designed for your ultimate comfort, while staying connected to the beauty of the outdoors. Imagine yourself lounging by a crystal-clear pool, nestled among lush greenery and vibrant flora. Surrounded by the sights and sounds of nature, you can unwind in a serene oasis. Feeling hungry? Our fully equipped kitchen has everything you need to whip up a delicious meal. Enjoy your meals in our inviting Alfresco dining area while soaking in the serene surroundings. Unwind in our cozy lounge area, the perfect spot to relax and share stories with friends. Freshen up in our 2 spacious outdoor bathrooms, designed for your convenience and comfort. Rest easy knowing our property is CCTV operated for your safety. And with our convenient parking area, getting here is a breeze. Stay connected with Wi-Fi so you can share your amazing moments with friends and family. Tori River Glamp is perfect for groups of 15 to 18 packs. Gather your friends and experience the best of nature and comfort.